And welcome back to another segment of What's Up with Nick and Chuck. I am Andy, the marketing guy from HUI, and as always I have Nick Rolfe and Chuck Shores with me, our medical business development directors here at HUI.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
All right, so to continue our conversation that we had on our last segment, we started talking about the medical cart or standard cart lineup that HUI has, and we really talked about our Versa Plus, which is a great cart and definitely looks like it's going to do very well in the market. So to continue that, we're going to talk about another standard cart, but more of a larger device cart. So Nick, could you tell us a little bit more about our FlexiStar cart option?
Absolutely, Andrew. So we, about 4 years ago, went down this venture of exploring what we need to do from a standard cart standpoint, like where was the next step. And so FlexiStar was something that morphed out of other designs and other developments and other carts that we've created. And so we decided to, 2 years ago, begin the development process of the FlexiStar cart. This FlexiStar cart is a larger platform that allows for bigger devices.
Chuck, do you want to touch on some of the features and options that are available to customers with FlexiStar?
Sure, Andy. So some of the standard features that we have available as accessories are going to be cylinder tank brackets that would be living in the back of the cart. There's also drawer configurations that are made available to it as well. So obviously we understand that some customers need different devices that they need to put into the storage locations on the bottom. So there's a 2-drawer configuration, 3-drawer configuration, and a 4-drawer configuration. There's also accommodations on the cart for housing multiple shelves, as well as accessories on the bottom side of the top work surface for a pull-out keyboard tray as well as a drawer. And then also on the FlexiStar, there is accommodations on the top for either single or dual monitor mounts, as well as IV pulls.
So we launched this cart earlier this year, and so it's been in front of customers and people from the industry have seen it. So what are you guys hearing from our customers or the industry about this cart so far?
Andy, some of the feedback that I've actually gotten from some of my customers is that the construction of the cart feels really robust because a lot of the internal structure of the cart is fabricated sheet metal, internal to HUI's capabilities. And then the other components that make up the cart are custom aluminum extrusions that make up the side column. So that really adds into the strength of the cart. Some other really nice features that customers like is that the cart already has the accommodations in the top for the single or dual monitor mounts. You can also get a variety of different monitor mounts from different manufacturers. So that allows a lot of flexibility to our customers in sourcing various monitors as well as all-in-one PCs.
Well, Andrew, one of the things that I've been hearing from customers is that they like how the cart feels, especially as it goes over thresholds, as it's loaded down with equipment. People like the stability. People like how it maneuvers around and it feels smooth when you're pushing it from room to room or from location to location. So we've had some really good feedback in the ergonomics of the cart. I would say the other thing that people like is the flexibility of it, because it allows them to be, the cart is designed to be very modular. As Chuck alluded before, we've got drawer kits, we've got several accessories, but the beauty of it is how those accessories are mounted and how quickly people can add those accessories on and really just do it themselves. They wouldn't need to have a service tech come in to do that. It's pretty easy to install any of the features onto the cart.
Sure.
The last thing I would tell you, Andrew, that I think people really like about the cart is the cable management. The fact that on the back of the cart there's that gray panel that can be removed off the cart, and so you can have all your cords in the back there tied up to the sides or accessible. So if you have to swap out cords, whether it's in the OR or whether it's in a clinical type setting, it's easy to get to those cords because of that access on that back panel.
Once again, that was some great information about one of the standard carts that HUI offers here. If you'd like more information on the FlexiStar, I'll provide a link in the description of the video. At the end of the video, I'll also provide the contact for Nick and Chuck, so if you did have questions you want to reach out to them directly, you can do so. Lastly, if you have a topic in mind that you would like to see us turn into one of our next segments, please leave us a comment at the bottom of the video and we'll see what we can do to get you that information. Thank you for watching What's Up with Nick and Chuck. Have a great day and stay safe.
Thanks, Andy.
Thanks, Andy.
See you, everyone.
See you guys.